What's up, everybody? Welcome to a Watch Spotlight. I'm Brian.
I'm Morgan.
And we'll be your watch guys today. Today, WOWS is extremely excited to bring to you a Breitling Navitimer Pan Am edition. This watch is super cool. Morgan, tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, so in 2019, Breitling introduced its first capsule collection, and it focused on three old school traditional airlines from the 60s and 70s. You had Swissair, Transworld, and here we have the Pan Am edition. So it's got the Pan Am colors, 43mm case. It's got the slide rule, which Breitling's Navitimers are known for. The BO1 movements inside, and
it's got a really cool back too.
Absolutely. It's got the Pan Am logo on the back of the case. You know, they didn't want to add it into the actual face of the watch. This would be a little too busy, but certainly a very interesting piece, a huge throwback to the 60s and 70s.
Yeah, this watch is actually, like he's saying, 50 to 60s. It's super cool. Back then, there was an unprecedented boom in traveling and being able to fly. It was no longer available not only to the elite, so to speak, but to everyone. And Breitling had a huge part in that, which is really cool. So normally these come with a metal band. This one, however, is special in the fact that this actually comes with a leather band. This watch is super elite, can't get it anymore. We're lucky here at WOWS to have gotten it. Non-numbered, limited edition, if you will. You're not gonna see another one in person, guys. We can't wait to see you. Come check us out.